unlock transport networks, to bridge the digital divide, to break down barriers to trade, reinvigorating industry, modernizing agriculture, securing energy supplies, advancing education systems. Together, we stand at a crossroads of change that will redefine global economic partnerships. Drawing on each nation's strength, we forge a common path forward. This is more than a conference. It's a turning point where landlocked developing countries transition from participants to pacesetters. The time has come to take action, to build solutions, to reach new heights. Here in Turkmenistan, today, together. Third United Nations Conference on Landlocked Developing Countries, 5 to 8 August 2025.